Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a kill all button for a UI. This is a dev product, so players can purchase this multiple times. It's good for mini games, survival games, pretty much any game where it would be fun to just see everyone else die, I guess. Obbies and things like that. So we're gonna start in replicated storage, and then I'm just gonna add some remote events for the dev product handler. So we'll just call it killed player, and that's gonna be to tell the client that somebody bought that. And then I'm gonna make a screen GUI, and I'm just gonna call it kill. And then in that screen GUI, I'm gonna put in a text label at the top, and we'll just scale it like that. Put background transparency, text scaled. Then I like to put loading, and that's good. And we're gonna make that not visible. And then we're gonna add in a button, a text button, or you can do an image button or whatever you want. And then this text button is gonna have a local script, and this is where we're going to prompt the purchase. So let me just save this to Studio real quick, and then I'm gonna make a dev product right here, and then edit it, save, go back, monetization, copy ID. Now that we have that ID, we can start with this script, local product ID equals, then your ID, local MPS or marketplace service equals game, get service, marketplace service. And then we can do script.parent.mouse click connect function, MPS prompt product purchase, game.players.local player, product ID. And now that we'll prompt our purchase, so next we'll script the text label, 'cause that's pretty easy. We'll just do local label equals script.parent, game.replicatedStorage.killedPlayer.onClientEvent connect function with the player, and then we'll do label.text equals player.name killed everyone. And you can change this text here to whatever you want. You can also put text before, just make sure you put the 2 dots between anything else that you add. And then we're gonna just say label.visible equals true, and we'll just wait 5 seconds, and then label.visible equals false. Now we can move on to our server script, but I am gonna turn off reset on spawn and turn that on. You can go to the server script, and I'll call it product handler. You can name these whatever you want. And then this is going to be local product ID is equal to the one that we just put in the local script, local MPS game get service, marketplace service. And we can do MPS.process receipt equals function info. We'll do local ID equals info.product ID, local player equals game.players.get player by user ID, info.player ID. Then we can do if ID is equal to product ID, then for underscore player in pairs, game.players get children, do if player.name is not equal to player.name, then player.character.humanoid.health is equal to 0, game.replicatedStorage.killedPlayer, fire client player. And this should be it. and I'm gonna go ahead and load into a 2-person server. Alright, we're in a local server. The one that I'm playing as right now, this is player 2. So I click the button, it pops up, buy it, and then give it a second. And it should be coming up right now, but it is not, so what is our error? 1 is missing or nil. I wonder if it doesn't work because they don't have user IDs. That might be the problem. Let me try loading in just a normal server on my actual account, but we still get that error. So let me figure out why that's happening. Alright, so the problem was that here I had ID with the capitalized D. Make sure it's I and a lowercase d. But if I go back over to my clients and player 1 buys it, then it will say player 1 killed everyone, and then everyone but the person who bought it will die. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll have the link for my Discord in the description if you need any scripting support or anything like that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.